All right, we are complete. Top mounted shifter is done. Let's see it in action. First gear, pull it up. Now you're in first. It's on a wobbly cart. Second, third, fourth, neutral. First, second, third, fourth. Boom. Want reverse? Boom. There you go. I'd say it's pretty badass. You even have a blind lock button on there. Probably won't work real good on a 27T with real skinny tires in the front and fat ones in the back. You'll probably just drag the tires, but we'll see. Anyway, this was success. If you have a welder, some metal, some creativity, you can do the same. And to reiterate, why did I do this? Because in the small 27T, the shifter, when it's mounted out here and the rod's out here, digs right into your leg. So this gives you just enough room to use the shifter. So, looking good. These are stock car style shifter levers from Speedway. They're probably about $6 each. Pretty cheap, and you can do whatever you want with them. Drill them out and thread them and everything else. Worked out really good. All right, guys. Well, hey, thanks for watching. And as we always say, like, share, and subscribe.